I have always been a daddy's girl, but as I've gotten older, one of my favorite things to do with my dad is to cook breakfast outside in his beautiful outdoor kitchen. I haven't really lived until you've experienced the taste of bacon on a Blackstone griddle on a foggy May morning on a Texas ranch. Kind of funny how as you get older, you really just want to go back to your roots. I was raised kind of out in the country. We rode horses and we had cattle. Now that I'm almost 30, I'm just realizing how much I cherish the time that our family gets to spend secluded out here kind of in the middle of nowhere. Yesterday, all the guys spent a few hours working the cattle, and here's a video of Justin tackling one of the baby cows to the ground. Rewatched that more times than I care to admit. Have a bunch of guys working cattle out in the Texas heat. They tend to want to eat a lot of meat and potatoes. So we loaded these burritos up with bacon, sausage, potatoes, eggs, and cheese. In addition to the flat top grill, he also has a smoker and just a traditional grill. So when we come out here for weekends, he's either cooking brisket, burgers, ribs, you name it, we've had it, and it's to die for, honestly. I love my dad for so many reasons, but one of them is that he keeps my freezer filled with